Hello, so in this video I will be showing you how to add interactions to various sections of the video. Now Playposit allows you to use a video that's already uploaded by someone, or you can record your own video, or you can choose a video from YouTube. Now once the video has been uploaded, if you want to edit the video or crop the video, you can go ahead, or trim the video, you can go ahead and trim the video from the video segment. The next step is to add interactions, meaning at various points throughout the video, you are going to add whether free responses, multiple choice questions, etc. So I have chosen to add my very first interaction at point 2 minutes and 1 second in the video. So an interaction I'm going to add, as the options here are multiple choice, free response, you can do a poll, a checklist, fill in the blank, or a discussion. I am going to add a free response. And the question I'm going to ask is for students to name 4 things that are common to all computers. And I would select done. Now, if I wanted to add another interaction, say at point 243 in the video, at point 243 in the video, I want to add another interaction. I'm going to select add an interaction at that particular point in the video, and what I want for students to do here now is maybe a discussion at this point. And for the discussion, I am going to ask students to explain what they've learned. Explain what you have learned about input, process, output, and storage. And done. Right, so once we are through adding our questions at the various points throughout the video, we can go ahead and we can review. Once you've reviewed and it's okay with you, you now go ahead, and if you want to add a learning objective, that's fine, and you would save your video